Hey everyone, welcome to Hunters Connect. Today, we'll be showing a series from our partners at the Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation on how they're restoring elk country, improving habitat, and increasing access for all outdoor enthusiasts. To learn more, visit rmef.org. Thanks for watching Hunters Connect.
Restoring elk country. Elk country can be thick and lush with vegetation. It can be mountainous with scenic, inspiring views. It may also feature bone-dry conditions for parts of a calendar year, leaving bulls, cows, and calves alike in a near-constant search for life-sustaining water. To assist elk and other wildlife in western South Dakota, members of the Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation rolled up their sleeves and got to work. While RMEF volunteers assist with wildlife water guzzler projects in other regions, the Northern Hills Ranger District on the Black Hills National Forest is the epicenter for an impressive and productive partnership that now spans more than a decade. RMEF provides support for both grant funding to purchase materials and supplies and volunteers to carry out the manpower in collaboration with the U.S. Forest Service. The goal is to get upwards of 50 guzzlers scattered across the district up to shape and back into operation, and to continue to monitor each site into the future. To date, volunteers climbed to ridgetops or descended into canyons as they racked up more than 5,400 hours to build, repair, and monitor guzzlers. Oftentimes, they also remove overgrown vegetation and build or repair fencing designed to keep out livestock while letting wildlife in. Restoring elk country is core to RMEF's mission. Since 1984, the Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation and its partners completed 13,000 conservation and hunting heritage projects that protected or enhanced more than 8.1 million acres of wildlife habitat.